Ivan Pavlov introduced us to classical conditioning by performing a series of experiments on dogs to show how various stimuli affected how the dog responded. Other research on classical conditioning helps shed some light on how the process works in association with behavior through stimuli and responses. Hello, my name is Joshua Cheney, and this is my daughter Bailey. I am researching the possibility of classically conditioning children using sense of smell in order to foster better mental and emotional security by manipulating the olfactory system during trying, pubescent, and teenage years. The olfactory system. Hair cells are the receptors in the olfactory epithelium that respond to particular chemicals. These cells have small hairs called cilia on one side and axon on the other side. In humans, there are about 40 million olfactory receptors in the nose that allow us to smell the sweet scent of vanilla and the rotten odor of sulfur. The olfactory tract transmits signals to the brain, to areas such as the olfactory cortex, the hippocampus, the amygdala, and the hypothalamus. Many of these brain areas are part of the limbic system. The limbic system is involved with emotional behavior and memory. That's why when you smell something, it often brings back memories associated with an event or an object. A study done in 2000 performed by Dr. Martha McClintock, PhD, and Dr. Dennis Chin, PhD, from the University of Chicago, was to determine whether humans consciously or subconsciously communicate through chemosignals. Their previous studies demonstrated that happy and fearful emotional states can be detected from one another based on changes in underarm odors. As a result of the 2000 study, they confirmed their original work by finding that men and women are able to communicate emotions such as fear, sexual arousal, and happiness through the olfactory signals. So in conclusion, I find that it is possible to classically condition children using sense of smell in order to foster better mental and emotional security by manipulating the olfactory system during their trying, prepubescent, and teenage years.